Buckle up, speed demons. The MJX Hyper Go 14303 is here to blow your mind. This one, 14-scale RC car, is a beast on wheels. Powered by a 2845 3700 kV brushless motor, it can hit speeds up to 42 km per h. Got a need for speed? This car's got you covered. With a 4WD system, you get unmatched traction and control, whether you're drifting on asphalt or tearing up the dirt. And durability? It's built like a tank with a metal anti-collision head and hydraulic shock absorbers. Let's talk precision. The 45A brushless ESC and 17G digital servo ensure every move you make is spot on. And with the 2.4 GHz radio system, you've got a stable, interference-free connection up to 120 meters. Plus, it comes with both TPR and slick tires, so no matter the surface, you're ready to race. Want to experience affordable adrenaline? The MJX Hyper Go 14303 is your ticket. Head over to Hobby Central to get yours today. MJX Hyper Go 14303. Unleash your inner racer.